One day it so happened, while Aloysius was going to the hospital from the Jesuit residence, he saw a man has collapsed on the road. He took him, lifted him up, put on his shoulders, and brought him to the hospital. That man had a plague, and from him Aloysius got, and Aloysius too succumbed. Aloysius did not think about himself because he wanted to become a Jesuit. And who is a Jesuit? Jesuit is a sinner and yet called to be a companion of Jesus. A Jesuit should be ready to do any work, any part of the world. The place we are born is not important for us. Many a times priests ask me, Father, from which place are you? I say sometimes like this. Sometimes I say, I don't belong to any place. Don't put me in any category. I belong to Jesus. So Aloysius has been made a patron of Jesuit scholastics. Scholastics means those youngsters who have joined the society of Jesus and studying to become a Jesuit. Those who are not priests are called scholastics and not seminarians. So he is the patron of Jesuit scholastics and of youth. He is a model for our youngsters. These days, our youngsters are talented in many fields and they have their vision. Very good. But we need priests. If I if I collapse and die, can any one of you can come here altar and continue the mass? No. But if a doctor dies, another doctor can take his place immediately if he is there. If an engineer dies, another engineer can take his place. But if a priest dies at the altar, however maybe you are competent, maybe holy, you cannot celebrate the Mass. You cannot hear the confessions. All other works you can do. But these two things you cannot do because you are not been ordained for that.